What kind of towels do you use on your cars? Cotton, microfiber, chamois? Welcome back to Microfiber Monday here on the Euro YouTube channel. And today we're going to be taking a look at cotton versus microfiber in the detailing world. On one side, we have cotton, which are known for their absorbency and softness, and on the other side, we have microfiber towels, which are known for their ultrafine fibers and superior cleaning. Here at Euro, we have tested both microfiber and cotton for decades and now know which route to take when it comes to auto detailing. So let's look at microfiber versus cotton against dirt and grime. The fibers of microfiber lift and trap dirt, while traditional cotton fibers push and spread dirt and dust around. Cotton towels are actually really good at absorbing, but they leave lint and streaks behind on your paint. On the other hand though, microfiber towels are really good at picking up dirt and grime without scratching your paint. The ultrafine fibers actually lift and trap over 99% of dirt, germs, viruses, and bacteria, leaving a dust-free, lint-free, and streak-free shine every single time. This magnetic property makes it a popular choice for auto detailing. And guys, microfiber towels are not only soft, but they are super absorbent and really effective. They're good at interior details, exterior details, washing, drying, buffing, all types of detailing. And not only that, but they are extremely resilient and durable. You can wash these guys and reuse them hundreds of times, and they will outlast your traditional cotton towels. Microfiber cloths are also eco-friendly because they reduce water and chemical usage for cleaning and detailing, but they'll only retain their non-abrasive property and absorbency if you take care of them correctly. So please be sure to check the description below to find the video on how to properly care for your microfiber towels. So now that we know more about microfiber and cotton, which will you choose when detailing? Be sure to check out our detailing towels, which come in different GSMs, weaves, and sizes, and pick the right one for you. And that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment on what kind of video you want to see next. Follow us on social media and upgrade your detailing game with our towels. I'll see you on the next Microfiber Monday.